Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and thank you for tuning in to this day 4 of 12 days of Christmas crafts. So make sure you go and subscribe to all the collaborators on this playlist. Now, just in case you forgot what my day 3 was, it was that little gnome right there. And today's DIY is no sew holiday pillows. And all you need is some kitchen towels, some pillow stuffing, and some scissors, and we're gonna get right straight to it. Again, let's just go over the supplies. You're going to need either 2 old pillows and either some stuffing and some kitchen towels. Now, you can use the kitchen towels from Dollar Tree, Target, Bullseye, area, or I like to buy my kitchen towels from TJ Maxx. I like the Aspen line, and I love just the way that they feel, the way they wash, and just the way that they adhere to glue. So I always wind up making my DIY pillows out of the kitchen towels from TJ Maxx. They're really good. So you can either cover it like a duvet cover, just flipping it over and gluing the edges. And in this video, I'm going to show you, both ways, just like I did, and then the way with the stuffing. So I love these pillows. It's a good way to kind of update any pillows that you have. So try it out. These pillows before, you guys, and so I really wanted to just remind you, like, they look so cute in the towels, and these are the same towels from TJ Maxx. So let's get started. So using your kitchen towels, you're gonna lay it out as flat as possible. Now, like I said, you can either fold your pillow into the towel. I call this the lazy duvet method, when you just wrap the towel over the pillow. Now for this second DIY pillow, which is super easy, glue down your edges, only glue down 2 sides, and then stuff that pillow, and then glue down your other side, like, done, finished. And for video purposes, I'm just gonna let the video play while I talk about other things, because it's kind of super simple and easy. Now you can make this into a really cute gift for any occasion. You could give it to someone who just moved into a new home, or a college student or whatever like that. Great gift idea. Literally, all you have to do is wrap it in a bow. You can buy a made bow or whatever the case may be, and give it as a gift like that. Like I said, you can add it to a box, put it in a basket, put it in a nice gift bag, add tissue paper. You can really do so many things with these cute little DIY pillows. It's so inexpensive. I think I paid $5.99 for the towels. 2 pillows, $5.99. What better way to do it? Thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a pleasure doing this 12 days of Christmas crafts. I love you guys, and make sure you stop by and watch all the other DIYs on my channel and the other collaborators. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye-bye.